Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook issue where you can't make changes at the moment, particularly when it involves two-factor authentication. If you're experiencing this problem, follow this step-by-step guide to resolve it. First, open the App Store on your device and ensure you have the latest version of the Facebook application installed. Search for the Facebook app and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it to make sure you're using the most recent version. Another common reason for this issue is related to two-factor authentication settings. To address this, open the Facebook application. If you encounter problems launching Facebook, you can alternatively use the Instagram application since both are owned by Meta. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, navigate to Security Settings. Here, select Password and Security, then go to Two-Factor Authentication. Within the two-factor authentication settings, select your Facebook account. You will need to enter your password to proceed. Once you're in, you can check if two-factor authentication is enabled. If it is, you can choose to turn it off temporarily or make any necessary adjustments to resolve your issue. After making these changes, try to access Facebook again. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.